Hello, you're looking at a Sony HVC3000P Trinicon tube video camera. As you can see, it's producing a good picture. It's difficult to see the colour reproduction because of the white balance of the camera. It's different from what's put out by a CRT, but I can say it is very good. It's a good picture and colours are accurate. So what's the problem with it? Well, if I press the zoom buttons, nothing happens. Now this camera does use a belt drive zoom, so it could be that the belt snapped or deteriorated. But I put my head next to where the zoom motor is and listened while I pressed buttons, and I can't hear anything. I can't hear motor running or anything. So I have a feeling that it's more than that, though the belt probably is in bad condition. But I think that either the motor's seized or there's no power going to it. So I'll take the camera apart and have a look and see if I can fix it. Right then, let's take this thing apart. Right, so this is the zoom motor here. These wires come through here and it's connected up here. That is it's a little choke or something. this will be the like a bridge circuit or whatever. So which ones are they? It's this here in it, I think. Yeah. So it's these two pins here, they're going to the motor. So if I connect it up and test them, then I can see if there's voltage there. Right, what's that, 12.67 on both pins. So that'll not make it 0.73. Right, 4.730. So yes, that's running it one way. Let go and it comes back up to 12 slowly. 4.83. 0.74. Yeah, that's running it other way. So it's getting about 4 volts across it in one direction or other, depending what I'm pressing. I'll turn it off. So it must be motor itself. Will this fit through there? And that's connected to that, isn't it? And move that out of that way. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that'll do. So, can this be turned? I don't think I can even turn it by hand, I think it's seized. And it's got a little mark on the end of it, and I'm trying to turn it by hand and it won't even turn. So, can I get it out to get to it? So, push that, it can be. That snapped. Oops. I broke that. I can move it now. It's like wrapped inside this piece of rubber. That'll be to like sort of isolate it from the thing. I can peel it back a bit. Still pretty stretchy. I put a drop of oil down there. Hoping that this will somehow find its way in. Feels like it is, it's sort of feels like it's turning a bit more easily. Right. Let's try switching it on again. spinning now. Feels pretty quiet as well. Yeah. It's running nice and smooth now. I think that that oil's got in there. Just clean excess oil off. A bit of alcohol. Just get it off there as well. Get a new belt because that one's it's not too bad, but it's even worse. I might as well put a new one on. I found 3 belts here that might be possible candidates. Maybe that one, but it doesn't look. That one it actually looks bigger than that, so it might not be any good. This one is smaller, but it's thicker than the original one. Oh. First need to put this back in here because it's we ain't it breaking anymore. Then I'll have to put a bit of super glue or something on there to manage to wreck it. It's quite sort of brittle plastic. So I'll leave that to set, and then I'll put that motor back in place, and I'll try one of these belts. I've given that some time to set. It seems to be alright, so hopefully feed this back through. It wants to just sort of sit in there, I think. Yeah, it's suspended in that rubber. I'll try one of these belts on it. Try this one first. If you can. This is the biggest one of the 3. I can get it through. Nah, that mile's too big. The second one. This one's a bit thicker. Oops. That one might be alright actually. I'll give it a try with that. It's running it. Seems pretty slow, but I don't know much about how it is. But seems alright. That'll probably do. That should do the trick, I think. So it's just a matter of putting it back together now. I can see why that screw's come out. It's because I wondered what this were that had appeared on my bench, and that's a little thing for that screw to go into, and it's held in by this plastic thing, but it's obviously broken. It screw, well, I don't know where the screw's gone, but that's broke off it. And you see on this side it goes straight into that metal, but on this side it goes into that plastic thing that's broke. I'll just show you what this zoom's like. Very slow. Oh, it's working again though, so that's good. Right, thanks very much for watching.